bad luck, and neither does Justin now. And you don't either, my friend. So if you missed out, all right, y'all better go to a restaurant and order it, okay? So I got me some squishes, because I like squash now. Some cabbage. I know that's a lot, but I like vegetables now. We got some collard greens. I wanted to do mustard, but I waited till the last minute. And we got some filled pieces with some snaps up in here now that I found in the freezer, and thank God, because they was out everywhere. Man, y'all looking for black-eyed peas? Good luck. Okay. But start with the greens, because it takes 5,350 million hours to cook them those. And everybody's coming in about 2 hours and 45 minutes. And I look like this. So, I burned that one, Janice.
And yeah, I get my greens already bagged and cleaned because I don't have time to be scrubbing no greens now, okay? And if you haven't or aren't listening to Olivia Dean, go do it. She's incredible and I'm obsessed. Also, I'm really glad to have this kind of start for our New Year's dinner because I have just not been doing well. And I don't know about you guys, but definitely diet is not easy when I love sugar and all kinds of other things that aren't good for my body. And my doctor told me I need to lay off the meat and go back to veggies so that way I can have fiber and be able to use the bathroom like I need to since I'm paralyzed and can't on my own. So, no, this was a really good, healthy meal minus the bacon in there. But I'm trying to get better at all of those different things and hoping that this is a New Year's resolution that gets me healthy for good so that way I can live this life easier paralyzed. And if you guys who are watching this also deals with any of those kind of issues like I do and can't walk because you're paralyzed or ALS or MD or whatever, if y'all have any hints or recipes, please let me know, or recipe books that I could use. That would be awesome.
I have to wait for all this to cook now. We'll be back now.
And boy, am I lucky I had this jacket on, or I would have blanked out my arm just now, burning it on the stove, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm the worst paraplegic on the planet. And y'all, now that I've cooked meals for like 25 years, this stuff is for the birds. I hate preparing, cooking, and cleaning it. But man, do I love the taste of my own food and knowing what's in it, so I do it. But other than that, it's just a big, fat, annoying process and makes adulting a pain in the neck. And I know I can't be the only one now, y'all.
I'm the worst content creator ever, y'all. So we made New Year food for the, good luck this year. I'm trying not to eat animals, even though there is bacon in this. So that's my only thing, but I'm gonna get better about that. So I made all of the traditional stuff though. All right, we got some curly greens for the New Year's now. We got some cabbage, some black-eyed peas, some squash, and some snacks. So, hola! And then we got, and then flip it all the stupid out. And then we got dessert coming later. Hanging out, bringing in the new year because that's what it's about, right? I just wanted to come on here and just say thank you guys for watching my video. I'm really trying to remember. I'm so ADHD, so it's so hard for me to remember, to always record, and I get so busy and all kinds of stuff, and then I get super duper overwhelmed and anxious whenever it comes to editing my videos down. So it takes me quite some time since I do everything my daggone self, paralyzed, and I have to do all the things that I've got to take care of paralyzed too. And so I'm be a housewife and a chef and a dishwasher and a shopper and all the stuff and the bill payer. Okay, the list goes on and on. I've got lots to do. I'm a busy lady now. So I just want to thank you all so much for following my journey though, and for being patient with a little bit of content that I offer. But I do appreciate, y'all supporting it, following and subscribing and doing those thumbs ups for me. You have no idea how much it means to me. If you're new here, please don't forget to comment, and subscribe, because I definitely want to hear from you. I want to get to know who you are. I want you to know who I am. I want to tell y'all some things about me. I'm a birth mom. I put my daughter up for adoption when I was 16. Long story. And I was also not able to make my own decisions back then. So, I got a whole bunch of stuff that I can share. I became paralyzed when I was 21 years old. Relationships, my husband, how I met my husband, just all my different stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff that I can really share, and I am ready to. So y'all just, I'm an open book, so let me know. But I don't want to be too long-winded because I know nobody wants to sit here and listen to me freaking talk now. But I just wanted to give you guys a thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. We're almost there to that 1K, and once I get to that 1K and I can start spitting some of these out, start making some money, I can show you guys what all I do with that money to make my house accessible, to give me a walk-in shower or roll-in shower, and to possibly get me a track wheelchair where I can go outside and never get stuck while I'm gardening and stuff. Like, just so much of possibilities that my channel growing will give me, and your support, it gets me there. So thank you so much for that. All right, I promise I'm gonna let y'all go. Until next time now, y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me. That's in reason, though. I ain't gonna be crawling on the floor and paralyzed for the love of all that totally pressure sores are a real legit thing. So y'all be kind to me now. Some good things, like I can show you how I cook and clean and how I build stuff and all kinds of stuff, you know, but y'all be in reason. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see, and thank y'all for your support again.